Okay, in this video, first step, get you a moist paper towel and put your cutting board on it so it won't slip around on you. Okay, and then you get your carrots out, wash them. These carrots came pre-washed. Alright, go ahead and put that tie back on there. Next step is peeling the carrots. It's easier to just peel them on the cutting board horizontally than it is to act like some hotshot peeling over a trash can. That's how you peel the tip of your finger off. Just do it on the cutting board. And if you're at work, put saran wrap down and do it on the saran wrap, and then you just ball it up. But not at home, because that's pretty wasteful. And it does make a difference. It does make a difference to just do it on the cutting board, because you can just grab them all up, throw them in a trash can. A lot easier than trying to float and cut over a trash can the whole time with each carrot. Really, with any vegetable, it's not really better to do it over a trash can. So then, once you got your carrots peeled, you want to take the tops and just a little teeny bit of the bottom off. You can save those parts if you was making stocks, but I'm just gonna throw them away into a compost bin. Nah. Then you want to, okay, for the single carrot, you want to get yourself a manageable length, cut it in half long ways, and always cut with the flat side down, kind of go in at an angle, and then you can cut the middle one in half. Basically, you're making carrot sticks before you dice them. Like, just simple as that. And then you line them all up. And then with your hand, with your left hand, you want to kind of use your pinky and your thumb to hold the whole stack together. And the middle of your middle finger against the knife. The whole 3 fingers on the knife thing, that's a total myth. That is not a really good way to do it. You only need 1 finger touching the knife, 1 joint at least. Okay, you don't want to have your cutting board completely filled up with diced carrots as you're going for another one. So I'm going ahead and put them in this bowl here. Get a little shot of that. That was actually all of them. And here, I'm doing the majority of them. Same thing. This is when you're doing a lot of carrot, you just make a bunch of strips. So you cut the middle one in half, because it'll be the tallest one. You cut it in half long ways too. Make a bunch of strips, and then you can kind of take from the strip pile in a manageable bit and dice that up. Right there, dude. You see the pinky holding it? Thumb's on the other side holding it too. You just chop, chop, chop. Don't really want to do too much at once, otherwise you'll end up kind of stuck at the end. And then I had to take these and split it up a little bit. But yeah, that's it. Easiest way to dice a carrot.